Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you new depth clocks for your Galaxy device. And guys, most important thing about these clocks, you apply these depth clocks on custom wallpapers from gallery. And these depth clocks work on any Galaxy device, no matter M series, S series or F series. These depth clocks work on any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first, you have to download these both apps on your Galaxy device. These both apps download link available on description. Simply download, and before start, first disable your system clock like this. Simply set adaptive clock font and set complete low transparency, and look at this, my system clock disable. Okay, now open this app and look at this. After open many preset clocks on this app, simply tap on new wallpaper and select wallpaper from gallery. Look at this, I select wallpaper from gallery and first adjust wallpaper. Now tap on clock. Look at this. You also set vertical clock like this. Simply disable show column and adjust clock and size, clock size. Now scroll, and guys, you also set separate clock color and custom minute color. If you want to change only minute color, then like this, you also set separate minute color and scroll, and look at this downside. And look at this downside, many amazing fonts available on this app. Simply select any font like this, increase size and adjust clock like this. Simply tap on done button, tap on set wallpaper, tap on save and set this clock on lock screen. Look at this, you also set home screen and lock screen or only on lock screen. And look at this new depth clock with custom wallpaper enable on your Galaxy device. Let me show you another wallpaper. Simply go back, select wallpaper, adjust wallpaper like this. Set clock color. Select clock font. Simply tap on done, tap on set wallpaper, save this wallpaper, apply on lock screen, and look at this depth clock on your lock screen. Okay, let me show you another depth clock. Look at this, another app. Simply tap and open, and two options, AI depth editor or template gallery. Simply tap on AI depth editor and choose wallpaper from gallery. Look at this. Now simply tap on next and adjust clock like this, date and clock. And guys, look at this. Look at this, I adjust clock like this. Now tap on shadow and increase full shadow and also apply full shadow on date. Now tap on set as wallpaper and simply set this wallpaper on lock screen. Look at this, new depth clock enable on your lock screen. Okay, let me show you another wallpaper from gallery. Look at this is my custom photo. Tap on next. Adjust clock like this. Simply increase shadow set date, also increase date shadow, and you also change color, fonts and date format, clock format and date format. And you also add custom text on your lock screen. Now simply tap on set wallpaper. Set this wallpaper on lock screen and look at this new depth clock enable on your lock screen. Guys, you also enable these new depth clocks on your any Galaxy device, no matter M series, S series or F series. These depth clocks work on any Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.